Hi guys, by now you've probably seen my video review of my Chevy Colorado. If not, I'll put a link right up here so you can see that. But today we're going to be installing a tonneau cover that I just ordered from Amazon, so stand by. So I purchased the Undercover Flex model FX 11002. Alright, so here's everything that came in the box. You've got your two side rails, the hardware bag with all your clamps and hoses and weather stripping. Looks like a quick stall installation guide, and then the other side is the operation instructions. And then there's a model specific instructions if there's anything special that has to be done for your particular vehicle. And then in the box, what's left, of course, is the cover itself, and we'll get it out in a little bit. So now I've got both of the side rails installed, and the next thing to do is to install the drain hoses right up front. You can see where the drain spout is sticking out. I'm going to try to work it from there into that little hole that you see to the left. So now you can see how those drains are installed. Then you can see the other side looks like that. So as you can see, I've got the cover mounted in the open position, and I need to get underneath here and get those two clamps installed, and that'll be the final piece of making sure this thing is fitting properly. Okay, so I had to pick the most humid day of the year to do this, but we got it done. So the little bracing arms, you have one that installs on each side. You can drive with it in this position. Only problem is you're not going to have any visibility out the back, obviously. But with your backup camera, that should not be that big of a deal. So we'll see. I'm fixing to take a road trip this week. I'll see how well it does as far as being watertight. I got a feeling there will be some water in the bed, but probably not too much. You see how this operates. You pull this cord and flip it up. Same deal here. Very nice. So here's the completed product. The tailgate shut. And as long as the tailgate is locked, this thing will be secure, you know, unless somebody comes along with a crowbar and tries to pry it open. It's secure. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.